Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Auto Tech. Are you looking for the best Bluetooth transmitter for car 2024? Here are my full reviews of the best Bluetooth transmitter for car 2024. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you. Number 1. NewLexi Wireless in-car Bluetooth FM Transmitter Radio Adapter Car Kit W1.44-inch display supports TFSD card, aux and USB card charger for all smartphones. The NewLexi Wireless in-car Bluetooth FM Transmitter Radio Adapter Car Kit offers a seamless driving experience with its versatile features. It boasts a 1.44-inch display, ensuring clear visibility of incoming calls, music, and car battery voltage. Compatible with all smartphones, this device supports TF and SD cards, providing multiple music playback options. The aux and USB card charger ensures your devices stay powered throughout your journey. Its Bluetooth capability allows for hands-free calling, enhancing safety on the road. The transmitter also features an advanced noise cancellation technology for crystal clear sound quality. Easy to install and user-friendly, the NewLexi FM transmitter is an essential accessory for modern drivers, combining convenience, functionality, and safety in one compact device. Whether you're navigating through traffic or enjoying a long road trip, this car kit ensures you stay connected and entertained effortlessly. Number 2. LENCENT FM Transmitter 2022 Upgraded Bluetooth FM Transmitter Wireless Radio Adapter Car Kit with Dual USB Charging Car Charger MP3 Player Support TF Card. Introducing the LENCENT FM Transmitter, a 2022 upgraded Bluetooth FM transmitter designed to enhance your driving experience. This versatile wireless radio adapter car kit offers seamless connectivity and high-quality audio streaming for all your favorite music and calls. Equipped with dual USB charging ports, it ensures your devices stay powered up on the go. One port supports quick charging, while the other maintains steady power for continuous use. The built-in MP3 player supports TF cards, allowing you to play music directly from your storage device. With advanced noise cancellation technology, you can enjoy crystal clear sound during hands-free calls. The easy-to-use interface and wide compatibility make it suitable for any vehicle. Effortlessly switch between music and calls with the multifunctional button, ensuring a safe and enjoyable drive. Upgrade your car's audio system with the LENCENT FM transmitter for an unparalleled driving experience. Number 3. Bluetooth 5.3 FM Transmitter for Car 3.0 Wireless Bluetooth FM Radio Adapter Music Player FM Transmitter Car Kit with hands-free calling and 2 USB ports. Introducing the Bluetooth 5.3 FM Transmitter for Car, the ultimate wireless Bluetooth FM radio adapter and music player for your driving needs. This sleek device not only allows you to stream your favorite tunes directly from your smartphone to your car's FM stereo system, but also ensures crystal clear sound quality with Bluetooth 5.3 technology. The FM transmitter is equipped with hands-free calling, enabling you to take important calls without taking your hands off the wheel, ensuring a safer driving experience. Additionally, it features 2 USB ports for simultaneous charging of your devices, keeping you connected on the go. With its easy-to-use interface, you can quickly switch between functions, adjust the FM frequency, and control your music playback effortlessly. Upgrade your car's audio system with the Bluetooth 5.3 FM transmitter for a seamless blend of convenience, safety, and superior sound quality. Number 4. Upgraded version Bluetooth FM transmitter, Sumind Wireless Radio Adapter Hands-Free Car Kit with 1.7-inch display, QC 3.0 and Smart 2.4a dual USB ports. The Bluetooth FM transmitter by Sumind is a versatile, wireless radio adapter designed to enhance your driving experience. Featuring a 1.7-inch display, this device makes it easy to see song titles, incoming calls, and car battery voltage at a glance. It supports hands-free calling, ensuring your focus remains on the road. Equipped with QC 3.0 and Smart 2.4a dual USB ports, it delivers fast and efficient charging for multiple devices simultaneously. The transmitter provides crystal clear sound quality by connecting to your car's FM radio frequency, allowing you to play music from your phone or a USB flash drive. Its easy-to-use interface and flexible neck design make it adaptable to any car. The Sumind Bluetooth FM transmitter combines convenience, safety, and entertainment, making it an essential gadget for any modern driver looking to upgrade their car's capabilities effortlessly. Number 5. hands-free call car charger, wireless Bluetooth FM transmitter radio receiver, MP3 audio music stereo adapter, dual USB port charger compatible for all. Introducing the ultimate in-car convenience, the hands-free call car charger and wireless Bluetooth FM transmitter. This versatile device transforms your driving experience by combining multiple functions into one compact unit. Effortlessly connect your smartphone to your car's stereo system via Bluetooth, allowing you to make hands-free calls with crystal-clear audio quality. Stream your favorite music directly from your phone or use the built-in MP3 player for a seamless listening experience. The dual USB ports ensure your devices stay charged on the go, compatible with all smartphones and tablets. The intuitive FM transmitter feature lets you find the best frequency for uninterrupted audio, providing a smooth and enjoyable ride. With easy-to-use controls and a sleek design, this all-in-one adapter enhances your car's functionality while keeping you connected and entertained. Upgrade your car with this essential gadget for a safer and more enjoyable drive.